Speculation rife over Bharat Ratna recipients, but government has chosen neither to confirm the reports nor deny them. While BJP says the names are yet to be finalized, political parties are pushing for their favourites to be included in the list.
सब चीज थोक भाव से अखबार में सुन रहे 5 अभी भारत रत्न नहीं हुआ, मानो ये चॉकलेट हो गया.
Even as speculation rages over whether these 5 eminent Indians will get the highest civilian honor.
Actually, if we go into it, all these great men are above all kinds of awards.
But a political race has begun, with parties pitching for their favourites.
अरे भारत रत्न देना था, हम लोग मांग करते रहे हैं. जननायक स्वर्गीय कर्पूरी ठाकुर जी को भारत रत्न मिलना चाहिए. हम लोग मांग करते रहे, समाजवादी चिंतक लोहिया जी को मिलना चाहिए भारत रत्न.
Even Mulayam Singh's party backing Lohia for the Bharat Ratna. The Sena too has its favourite.
सभी नाम बहुत बड़े हैं, लेकिन उनके साथ अगर वीर सावरकर का नाम भी जोड़ जाता तो पूरे देश को खुशी होती. उनका सम्मान अब नहीं होगा तो कब होगा. और मोदी जी खुद सावरकर जी के बहुत बड़े भक्त हैं.
The demand growing to make the list official. The Congress ensuring it escalates the fight.
The question is not of apology. The Congress party has always believed in giving reverence to all the heroes, whether unsung or sung, or all the Bharat Ratnas who have made this nation.
But amidst the political race, questions are now being raised over Netaji's name.
India failed to honour Subhash Chandra Bose when he should have been honoured way back in 40s and 50s and 60s. And I think government will be in a tight spot because if they announce it, nobody would come and receive it.
The government refusing to confirm or deny who will get the highest civilian honour. A trial balloon or an official list. But Bharat Ratna is being reduced to a game of political bargaining. Bureau Report, Times Now.